Ta-da-ta-ta-ta. I'm loving it. I don't know what I'm going to do with all these fries. Ah! Good morning, everybody. Some early morning today, and I'm off to work. You can still see the sleep on my face.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing.
But I am off to work this morning, and I hope today's Thursday. A great day. I hope whatever you're doing today, you have a great day. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. Today is 20 degrees today. It's not hot, it's nice and cool. So I'm loving the weather. 10 minutes past 6, the weather. This is a morning vlog. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's a little bit cold, but I got my jumper in my bag. Have a good day. Hi guys, so I'm in McDonald's. I'm gonna get some fries because I'm gonna do a challenge. So yeah, so let's wait and see what the challenge is about. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hi guys, taste test. Hi guys, welcome back to my video. How are you doing? If it's your birthday, happy birthday. Mwah, mwah, mwah. If it's your anniversary, your wedding anniversary, congratulations, keep the love going. I would say good morning, but it's not morning, it's afternoon. Today, guess what I'm gonna do? Listen, what I did, right? I went to 3 fast food joints and I bought fries. Some people might know it as French fries, but we in the UK, we call it fries or chips, okay? I not long ago got home from work and doing a challenge. Because there's a big thing that's saying, oh, which French fries are the best in the UK. Well, I picked 3 of many. Okay, so let me show you which one I have. I have good old McDonald's. I have good old KFC. And I have this one. It's called Dallas. So it's Dallas fried chicken. But I didn't buy chicken. I only buy fries because I'm only tasting fries. Okay, I'm only tasting fries. Okay, so I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm excited. I'm not gonna eat all these fries, sorry, but I want to see which fries is the best. So with Dallas fries, this one, they gave me ketchup and mayo, and with the KFC, I think they give me this pretty much the same. That's the fries there. And I think they give me the same. Oh, yeah, they give me the same. Different colors, but the same. Oh, same ketchup. Actually, no. This is Irons, and this is Harrison. Let's see what McDonald's give me. So this is McDonald's fries, okay? This is McDonald's fries. I don't know. There was no ketchup. There was no ketchup. There's no ketchup. Ah! Okay. So now let's get into it. Oh, let's get into these fries tasting. All right, I've got a plate. First, I'm gonna try the regular fries that we, it's a regular fries with this ketchup because it's very watery. Yeah. So like probably affordable ketchup. I'm not gonna say cheap. I'm just gonna say it's one of them affordable ketchups. All right, let's. All right, I'm not gonna use my teeth because I might just break it, which I can't afford it right now. And I'm gonna put the ketchup, and I'm gonna try this fries. Look, see? Okay. I'm not sure. Okay. Okay. That's done. Now let's try McDonald's fries. I bought all these fries. I'm not even gonna eat them all. Right, let's try McDonald's fries. Let's see the difference. So I'm trying McDonald's fries, okay? I do like a McDonald's fries. It's gonna in my throat. Okay. Remember, I chose to have this one. It's sweet curry. Can you see it? Yeah. So let's try it. See? The sauce is very nice. It's a little bit bigger than the first fry. Have you seen all McDonald's fries stand up firm? And look at this one. No good. So I think McDonald's fry beat that one so far. Okay. We have a runner up. Now let's try KFC. Look how horrible it looks inside. But sometimes the horribleness is not too bad because the taste might be good. So let's not judge. And the fries is like wedges. McDonald's, KFC. You see the difference? Like a wedge. Okay. They gave me Heinz ketchup. Oh, and it's so salty. Oh God. You can see McDonald's fries, KFC fries. And they're like wedges, small baby wedges. So let's try it. I don't know why they call KFC fries because it's not even fries, it's wedges. Yeah, I think I'm leaning more to McDonald's fries, you know. Yeah, this is more of a wedge. Even though the ketchup is better than the first ketchup, this is more heavier than McDonald's fries. It's heavy. It should be called a wedge, but they call it a fries. And it's so salty. Oh my God. Yeah. So I think McDonald's fries wins. Would you prefer McDonald's or KFC? I prefer McDonald's because the fries are nicer. This is more thick and it's not even the fries a wedge. And the other one, it's not cutting it. So I think McDonald's is the winner for me today. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. It's just a taste test and I hope you enjoy it. If you like your McDonald's fries, there you go. And if you like your KFC fries in the UK or wherever you are, enjoy. And your local fries, chicken and chip shop, and if you like the local chicken and chip shop, then you can have it. But for me, it's gonna be McDonald's. Enjoy your McDonald's. If it's the weekend, you and your family having a weekend treat and you're having McDonald's, enjoy. We're loving it. So I'll just cut my spring onions from here. Okay. Have a little bit bit left. Let me take this out. This is this out. Yeah, it's a little bit left. So I'm going to put some water in that and leave it to grow. So you can see it's been freshly cut. I'm going to cut some mint. And I showed you the mint yesterday, so I'm going to cut some of that. So I've got my scissors. So I'm just going to cut. Oops, that fell. There we go. I think I shouldn't have cut the one with the buds. Oh, it smells so good. I'm going to cut this one. It smells so good. Just a little bit of the basil. This is basil, whatever you want to call it. Okay, as I can show you. Yeah.